Want to launch a professional website in minutes without coding, designing, or even dragging and dropping? WordPress.com just made that possible with their brand new AI-powered website builder. And the best part? It's completely free to start. Before we dive into the details, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below if you've ever thought about building your own website. WordPress.com has rolled out a game-changing feature, a chat-style AI website builder aimed at entrepreneurs, freelancers, bloggers, and anyone needing a quick, polished online presence. Unlike other AI tools, this one is fully integrated into the WordPress platform and is free for users to try out. Getting started is simple. Just describe your idea, like create a website for my coffee shop, and the AI takes it from there. It uses your prompt, including site name and description, to generate a working site with layout, content, and images. You'll need a WordPress account, and the feature is currently only available for brand new websites. Once your site is built, you can tweak it through the chat interface or manually edit it yourself. This tool includes 30 free AI prompts to help you shape your site. After that, you'll need a hosting plan to continue. Plans range from $96 a year for premium to $300 for business, which includes benefits like a free domain, premium themes, and customer support. The AI itself is powered by a mix of open source and externally hosted models, offering a flexible and smart solution for fast website creation. While it doesn't yet support complex e-commerce or advanced integrations, it's perfect for getting a professional site up and running fast. Want to see if it's right for you? Head to WordPress.com and try it out. No credit card needed to begin. And if you're serious about using AI to grow your business, don't miss the related video in the corner that shows more powerful tools like this one.